Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Jaden here, bringing you a voiceover from my mom. Okay, let's see what she got in store for us. So, we prepped out the canvas with the white. As you can see, it's all glossy and shiny from that white paint that's on it. Then we are just gonna sit here and look at the canvas because we don't know we really don't know what we want to do yet. So we're here. Decide what colors we're gonna put on. We got like a dark ocean blue. We're gonna go do. Nope, never mind. We're not gonna do ocean blue. Oh, I think she's like putting the crap in the paint, or like the oil or whatever she does for the cells. I think. I don't know. So yeah, wait. Actually, no. We're just gonna touch the paint. Make sure the paint is up to our standards, cause apparently that's what we got to do. So we're gonna go to the gray, make sure that that's a good gray to look at. Yep, got the white, make sure we got enough white. Make sure the quality of the paint is top notch, keen. There we go. So we're gonna pick up the blue again, dark blue, and just look at it again. Go to the lighter blue, just look at everyone twice, because that's what you gotta do to make the paint optimal for you to paint on. So we are just going to go ahead and look at every paint yet again. We're going to go to wherever color that is because it's off screen and I have no idea what color. Back to the gray. Oh, we're putting it into the cup. Okay, so yes, adding the layers into the cup. So you can see we got the blue, the light blue, the silver, the white. Because who the hell knows what white's for. Then we're going to go back to the brown. That looks like dog crap, but let's just add as many layers of paint as we can because that's what we gotta do, because we're gonna totally submerge this freaking canvas in all of the most random paint colors that we got. Oh, it's black in the corner. So we're gonna keep going, add more white on top of the silver, add more brown to make sure that everything is just looks like poop. So we're gonna keep on going, and let's do this. So we're just gonna sit here and look at the canvas, cause I don't know why not. We're just okay. Never mind. We're gonna go over here, and we're grabbing a freaking dustpan from a broom because I don't know why we need that. We're just gonna wipe the freaking dust broom, or whatever the freak that's called. So we're gonna keep going, trying my best not to cuss here because that's half my vocabulary. Let's keep it going. We're still holding on to the dustpan because we're probably gonna have to sweep up the painting later because I don't know why. Oh, okay, so we're just gonna use the dustpan to apparently make a bigger mess with it. So we're gonna put paint on the dustpan because I really don't know why. Apparently want to make our freaking broom this color or something like that. Actually, no, we're going to put the paint on top of the freaking dustpan. I don't know why we are. Oh, okay, so she's like letting it down. What the hell? Oh, okay, so we're just going to this is like a freaking huge brush, basically. Okay, so we're just gonna go down, go to the left, and we're gonna make it look like a wave almost. I don't even know what she's trying to do. I don't know what this is supposed to be. We're just doing it just to do it. So we completely got our dustpan covered. We got to buy a new one later. So. But now we got the paint onto the canvas. I can't speak the canvas. We're gonna try to burn the canvas, obviously. Make the canvas ideal for the after image of what we're trying to go for, which is apparently some type of I don't know, ocean, like a dirty ocean. I don't know what we're trying to do here, but So we don't want any paint on the canvas actually, so we're gonna try to like get all of it off by like moving it to the edges and get all the paint off, because why not? That's why we have all the, you know, the stuff in the background, to make sure all the paint can get off and we can just not use it anymore. So as you can see, we're just gonna tilt it back, forth, left, right, then we're gonna set it down. Oh no, we're gonna tilt it at like a, not, you know, like 45-degree angle. It's like a weird angle. Then we're just gonna keep on tapping the freaking canvas with the dustpan, because why not? Let's get all the dirt and stuff back onto the canvas. We're just gonna keep on swiping it. So as you can see, she's adding more paint onto the thing, because why not? Again, apparently we wanna like make some type of like, I don't know, wing or something right there. Oh, so you want type of like, what the hell is that? We're just making like a freaking plant come out of the ocean or something like that. I don't even know what's going on. Apparently we have to like freaking, what is she trying to do? Are we adding hair onto the painting? I'm sorry, it was bald before. I got to add some hair onto you. Didn't realize you had I don't know, just a baldless painting. We gotta add a hair onto it. Oh, somebody gotta clap because we're done. Woo! Oh, that's over. So finally get to have some peace and quiet now. See you guys later.